I started taking motovlogging seriously in 2017. At the time I was struggling to find other creators who were making videos about Indian motorcycles. So I thought if I was having a hard time, then chances are a lot of other people were too. And so when I did eventually find some, I decided to reach out to them and see if they fancied doing a channel trailer for their channel, with the view that I share it on mine, and we create a bit of a community. So it's a lot easier for people to find Indian motorcycle content. It was just a way of trying to promote creators who shared my love of the Indian motorcycle brand. From there it sort of took a life of its own, really. It sort of evolved organically. You know, there was no master plan. There still isn't. The one thing that stands out for me is how we've all become friends. I mean, most of us haven't even met each other face to face, but we still talk daily, sort of leave comments on other people's content, chat. We've got our own little chat group. We even do a live stream every now and then as well. So it's great to talk in real time. Then in the summer of 2019, the guys stateside really took the baton and ran with it. What they did was organise a big ride out and meet at SCMM. Seeing those guys ride together was absolutely amazing. I just wish I could have been there myself. It'd be absolutely awesome if we could get to all ride together at some time in the near future, anywhere in the world really, but I think it would be extra special if we could all take our own bikes back to Spirit Lake. That would be awesome. That would be a dream come true. The name sort of came, much like the group did, quite organically, because we all ride Indian motorcycles and we're from all over the world. You've got Chris Keeble, aka the Aussie The Indian from Australia. You've got Chris Open Roader, who's an American living in Italy. Jay Fast represents Canada. You've got myself and the Undead Viking Zombie from the UK. And then you've got the US core. You've got Bearded Bobber, InvictvsNox, Christopher David Lawson, Hellistoke Garage, Ricky Not Sir Martin, Anonymous Biker USA, Brandon Bicasso, Meatball Rebel, and we've just recruited Star Bobber, who's just started her YouTube channel, and you should go and check all of them out. They're all fantastic. We are just a bunch of creative people sharing a love and passion for a certain motorcycle brand. That's all it is. We just love riding motorcycles and creating videos about it. It's special. I'm Dazzle Rebel and I ride an Indian motorcycle.
Hi, I'm Bearded Bobber and I ride an Indian motorcycle.
I'm Chris, the Open Roader, and I'm proud to ride an Indian motorcycle.
I'm Christopher David Lawson and I ride an Indian motorcycle.
What's up everyone? My name's Ricky and as you can see, I ride an Indian motorcycle.
I'm Star Bobber and I ride an Indian motorcycle.